Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Well, it's Saturday morning. Time to get things ready to go to racing today. Anyway, beautiful day out here. Can't complain about it. I'm gonna go here and get the golf cart all charged up for today. So Pop's not gonna be with us today, so gotta make the best of it. So let's get this day started. Getting charged. I have to figure out what's leaking up here. Use it a lot and it kind of leaks a little bit more. So yeah, got a little mess here to clean up this morning. Anyway, if you didn't see my other project, I worked on the MG. I don't think I released that video just yet, so hopefully by the time I release this video, the other one will be released. But anyway, had a new project in here. I think a 1977 MG that we removed the engine and transmission to replace the clutch in. So anyway, hopefully I'll get that out very soon as well. Hopefully before this one. If not, then look forward to that and coming out. So anyway, time to get things kind of cleaned up here. Really haven't did much to the car. It's been in the trailer since the last race. So, but it's all ready to go. I'm not too worried about it. Basically, I just need to get some fuel pumped out of the drums and get ready for this weekend coming up, or this Saturday coming up. Kept saying weekend because next weekend is Labor Day weekend in Mokan. It's Funny Car Chaos. I think they have 40 cars scheduled to be up there. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be off the chart. So right now, the weather looks pretty good for the Labor Day weekend. So can't wait to get up there for that. So that's going to be, we're going to be actually going up there Friday afternoon or morning or something like that. Probably Friday afternoon. And be up there Friday. Of course, Saturday, Sunday. Come back sometime Sunday night. So 2 days of racing up there. Looking forward to it. So, but enough of that. Let's get this day started. Let's get some fuel loaded up, get the truck cleaned up, and get ready for today. So let's get started. All right, filled it all up for today. Should be good. Yeah, Sonic's got it all screwed up today. Big truck in here, no one can get out. We can get in, but can't get out. Yes, I'm having Sonic for breakfast. Why not? Oh, it's been an exciting morning. Got the truck all cleaned up and stuff. And wife called and said, we have plumbing issues. So we got a septic person coming out to pump our tank out. We have an aerobic system. And it decided to act up. Yeah, of all mornings to do that. Or at least I'm here. But anyway, not much I can do anyway, because it's not like I have an aerobic truck to pump stuff out. But anyway, we got someone coming out about 12 o'clock to 1, but I'll be gone by then. So, what a day. Of all mornings. So anyway, at least I got the truck all nice and clean. You know, all I have to do basically is get things loaded up and get ready to head on out of here. But I got some things I need to get done here in the morning. But still planning on being out of here about 1 o'clock or so. So just backing the truck up here. Hopefully I don't run into the garage, any of that good stuff. So, okay, we'll call that good and get ready for the day. So, other than that, onward. You know what? I've been running around like my chicken, like the chicken's head cut off, right? Guess you heard that expression. I forgot to get one thing. I don't know if you can see it or not. Exhaust fluid, 374 miles. So, I'm gonna have to go out now and get some exhaust fluid. Guess I just forgot to pick some up. But we are getting things loaded up. Get ready to get out of here. It's about 10:30 now. You'll leave here about 1, so I still got a few hours to get everything ready to go. So good news, The pump truck for our aerobic system is going to be on the way, so hopefully be here about 12 or so. So hopefully they'll hear before I leave. If not, sorry wife, gotta pay the guy. So anyway, let's continue with this day, and hopefully the next shot you see is us all loaded up, or me all loaded up. Pops, it's not going to be here. Me loaded up, ready to get head on out down the road. So you know what our stop will be. I don't think I have to explain that, but I'll show you anyway when we get there. But yeah, so far day's going along pretty good. It's a beautiful day out here. It's going to be a nice warm day, so get good and hydrated for that. So here we go. Okay, guess what? All loaded up. That's right. It's a kind of warm day out here. It shows 79. I know that's not correct. I wish it was 79. But anyway, we do have everything ready to go. Like I said, Pops is not with us right now, and septic pump services out there getting the stuff out of the tanks there. So anyway, sorry sweetheart, you have to pay the bill. I'm out of here. So anyway, let's get on down the road and get to our first stop, and I think everybody know what that is. Oh yeah. Yep, that's right. My famous Sonic stop. Gonna get ready to chow down a hamburger. Anyway, but I will have a Mokan hamburger tonight as well. I do hamburgers all day today. So anyway, yeah, making our slow track up to Mokan, and beautiful day outside. A little warm, but it's a nice day outside. So let's go ahead and get this hamburger eating and get on down the road. GoPro turned off again. Anyway, there's the track. Quite a few people there already. So I'm gonna go here, pay the nice little lady at the front gate, and get set up and see what we can do today. Anyway, let's get inside and get paid and get parked. So here we go. Okay, we're all ready to go. So what we have to do next is, we're not actually going to run it to warm it up. We're going to run it during qualifying. I don't know. I got mixed feelings about that, but it's so warm. I think everything else will warm on the car. Can I get it warmer? You betcha, but I think I can get warmed up enough. I'm going to make 4 passes before my first qualifying, so I'm not that concerned about it. The last 2 qualifying passes, where I think it's really going to run at, so even the third, even 3 passes should get me in the ballpark. So anyway, still not too sure if anybody agrees with that. Hey, if you have any comments, leave a comment. Tell me, hey, you dummy, you should go ahead and warm it up. But anyway, that's what my plan is. I've been doing that for quite some time, but I might have been doing it wrong. I don't know. So if you think I am, leave in the comments. I want to hear. So let me go ahead and get this thing, get ready to go for first round of qualifying. Go from there. Okay, got my Q1 out of the way. I probably have to get some tires on this sucker. It is 60 foots are just ridiculous. First 60 foot in the left lane did a 145.29. The right lane did a 149.51. This spinning stuff just needs to go away. Same launch RPM, same everything. It's got to be the tires. This is frustrating. Good reactions in the left lane had 17 light. The right lane had a 24, but I spun. It was a 149 versus a 145. I lost 0.4 on the 60 foots. So naturally it's going to be a lot slower. It ran a 676 in the right lane with a 3, and it ran a 671 with a 5 in the left lane. So you kind of subtract the difference in the 60 foots, and it's around a 672, what it should have ran in the right lane. Car's there, the splits are there. I mean, splits were identical except for just the 60 foots. So, sorry sweetheart, I'm going to have to get another set of tires. I don't know what else to do. Okay, we got done with Q2. It's definitely getting darker here. Anyway, boy, on that Super Pro, I spun again on
on that. No, it's, what was it? Yeah, I spun again on the no EQ2 on the right lane. So that right lane's going to be a pain in the butt to handle. But I came back with Super Pro, ran the left lane, thing stuck. So, but I did make a shock adjustment on that, my last pass. So, and maybe it worked, I don't know. So we'll find out here when we go for elimination. But anyway, I'm good to go. Had it ran a 670 versus a 678. So this is gonna be a fun way to dial a car. So anyway, I'm gonna dial thinking it's gonna hook. So we'll see how that goes. First round, I'll probably get by with it. So we'll see what happens. So here we go. Slips are in here. Not good. First round, got 2 yellow slips here. Man, first round no E, red light. Then I went really relaxed on the Super Pro light and 78 light. Man, I cannot do that. I got to hit that light like I want it. So kind of disappointed myself. Car is 60 foot really good right now, so it's running its number. But that's the way it goes. Bought back in and see if we can get round 2 in the books here. So here we go. Well guys, I really suck tonight. 2 more yellow slips. I don't know, probably too much on my mind. I'm not too sure what's going on. My lights really suck tonight. It's unusual, but it is what it is. What can I say? I'm gonna get this thing loaded up and I'm gonna head home tonight. So we'll be back out here Labor Day weekend. I'm going to get some new tires for this sucker. I'm just tired of the inconsistent on this thing. That thing really hooked on that pass, and the pass before it didn't. So I went from a 72 to 68. I can't dial a car like that. More importantly, I can't cut a light. So anyway, I'm going to see if we can improve on that next week. So anyway, with that, I'm out of here. The next shot you're going to see is probably getting in the driveway. So anyway, it is what it is. Kind of disappointed, but hey, I had a good time up here and that's what matters the most. So I won't let this get down to me, but I will be back. So on my way home. Hi guys, I got home last night, went to record when I got here, and guess what? The GoPro died. So anyway, I got it on a charger right now, getting things charged up and all that good stuff. But no, I got home a little after 12 or something like that. Not a bad trip. Any later, I think I would have stayed there. But anyway, about last night, yeah, I sucked. That was my worst night of the year by far. Right now I just don't have trust in the tires whatsoever, so I'm always leery going up there and hitting on it. And it showed that tires would hook and it wouldn't hook, and I think it's given up a lot there on that 60-foot line. So my confidence in those tires are really down. So this morning I went ahead and ordered a new set of tires. Hopefully they'll be here this week. They should be here this week, and get ready for the 2-day race weekend up in Mokan coming up here for Labor Day. So anyway, hopefully they'll build my confidence back, say, hey, I'm ready. So and get back on those lights again. So for some reason my lights just fell off really badly last night at night, and kind of unusual to hit the tree that late. So anyway, with that, until next weekend. So if you do like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the little ding, the bell to let you know when we got new videos out and stuff. So with that, I'm out of here until Labor Day weekend.